Hello, my name is Franz, and today I'm going to show you the new animated parameters in the Diamant Film Restoration in version 12. So first of all, let's look at this shot. When we look at this, we see it right at the end. The frame is going up a little bit. Of course, we could fix this in Diamant with our stabilization tools, but today I would like to show you how to use animated parameters for fixing things like this. So we can see that the effect where it goes up starts around this frame. I could set a marker here that I remember this, like there's the green marker, just press N, see the marker where it starts, or I just directly go into my filter selection and I would select the transform filter. The transform is for transforming the images. Default, the transform pops just to the current frame. I will extend it to the end. And at the moment, a transform would be a constant for the whole filter. So like this, when I say I make a transform other direction, maybe from 5 pixel, I have a constant offset, as you can see in the before after of this 5 pixels over the whole filter length. But in our case, we would like to animate this parameter, and in order to animate a parameter, I have to turn the animation on for this parameter. And to do this, we have this symbol, and when I click on this, I turn the animation for this on. What now happened is that automatically my timeline switched from the operation timeline, where you have your filters and tool, to the animation timeline. Seeing, okay, it created automatically now on the very frame a keyframe, and actually for this frame I want to reset it, so offset should be 0 for this keyframe, and then I go to the last frame and I see, okay, I should put this down. In order to help me how many pixels I have to move this, I could turn on my viewing guides. Here they are free. I move this one to this bottom line, for instance, yeah. Then I go to the last frame and I see, okay, I have to shift now my frames until this is on the bottom line, like this, for instance. I turn this off again, and I have created an animation between the first and the last frame. When I click on this, I can zoom the values, so I see better the animation here. And when I move now the frame, you see over here the changing parameter over the time. So I'm starting with 0 offset, going up to 16 pixels offset. So let me render this now, switch back to the operations timeline, and let me switch this to side by side, and you can see I've created an animation of my transform, and now this shifting up of this frame is fixed.